Hello, Matthew. For today, we're going to be working on your IEP goal number 1 and number 2. For IEP goal number 1, it says, by the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, Matthew will read, listen to a sentence describing an action verb, and change the sentence verbally to state the verb's past tense. So let's get started. Past tense verbs. Today I will watch television. Yesterday I blank television. So if today you will watch television, yesterday you watched with ed. Ed. So watched. Let's see. Today I will wash my car. Yesterday I washed my car. Washed with ed. So you're going to work on these 5 and then take a picture and send it to me. For goal number 2, by the end of 9 instructional weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts making an inference about the grade level text or being helped to find one if needed, Matthew will underline the pieces of the text that gave the clues to the inference. So these, we're going to work on your stories. This is going to be the 3rd page on your IEP goal number 3. So it looks like this, worksheet 3. So we're going to read this story, and you have 3 other short stories to work on your own, like this. You could use 1 as practice and 2 as tests. So let's see. Ryan was looking forward to sleeping over at his friend Robert's house. Though they had been classmates for a while, the two had only recently become good friends. Ryan packed up his sleeping bag, a pillow, and a few of his favorite toys and games. Then his mom dropped him off at Robert's. Robert met Ryan on the porch, and the two did their secret handshake and started playing right away. First, they played pirates in Robert's tree fort. Next, they played ninjas in the driveway. Then it started getting dark and they went inside of Robert's house. As soon as they walked in the house, Ryan's eyes started to get red and itchy. He saw a big orange cat sitting on the couch. Then he started sneezing uncontrollably. I'm sorry, Robert, it's been a lot of fun, but I have to call my mom. Okay, so here, what do we have? Number 1 says, why do Ryan's eyes get red and itchy when he walks into Robert's house? So the story says they had been playing outside. They played pirates, and then they played ninjas. And it started to get dark, and they went inside. And as soon as they went inside, Ryan's eyes started to get red and itchy. So number 1 is asking you, why did the eyes get red and itchy? So let's go back to the story and find context clues. I'm going to help you out in this one. Remember, you don't have to fill all of this out, the questions. We're only using this one to go back and look for the context clues. So I would think it was because of the big orange cat sitting on the couch. He saw the big orange cat, and then he started sneezing. So I would say that's why his eyes got red and itchy, because of the big cat. Maybe he got allergies. So those are going to be your context clues here. Remember, if you pick that they became good friends, this is going to be a no. This would be a no. That is not a context clue. And let's see. If they picked that they were playing pirates, that would be a no. If you pick that he packed a sleeping bag, that would be a no, because that has nothing to do with why his eyes got red and itchy. Remember, we're looking for context clues of why they got red and itchy. So these would be the big orange cat, and then he started sneezing. So he started sneezing because of the cat. So these would be your context clues. So now you can work on the rest of the 3 short stories and then take a picture and send it to me. Thank you.